going to enjoin them to opt out.
Oh, that's civilian ako. I have no authority to order
No,
them
not
to
order, but just to enjoin them or
and I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw.